I try not to go grocery shopping too much during the pandemic, but I still like to have fresh veggies for my stir fries. But for the times when I can't get fresh veggies, I keep a good supply of frozen veggies in my freezer. So today I'm going to make a quick, easy frozen vegetable stir fry in about 5 minutes. It's a quick, easy recipe to enjoy during the pandemic. So we're using the San Francisco mix here. It's just mix vegetables with cauliflower, carrots, green beans, and broccoli. We're just going to pour some boiling water over the veggies. So sometimes people like to boil the veggies, but for frozen veggies I find that it gets waterlogged. So I just put some boiling water. We'll put in a strainer and put some more if it's not totally thawed out. Just strain the veggies, let it dry, and then we'll stir fry. That's a tablespoon of ginger, a tablespoon of garlic. Crispy, that's good. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.